everyone, my name is Julie. We're going to talk about 50 Russian words that have been abstracted from English. Let's go. The first word is account. In Russian it will be just account. Outsider, outsider. Outsourcing, outsourcing. Bambook, barbecue, barbecue. Bestseller, bestseller. Blog, blogger, blogger. Brand, jam, jungle, jungli. Design. Zombi, click, ковбой. Cocktail, college, crossword, lider, lift, ноутбук. And I meant notebook is not a piece of paper like this. It's like a laptop. Puzzle. Pирсинг, покер. Pop music. Post, to post something. Post it. Printer. Pudding. Rock music. Yeah, rock музыка. Sport, stapler.
Супер.
Surfing. Tank. Tag. Test. Trend. Training. File. Fax.
Film.
Flash drive. Flashka. Football. Hacker. Hacking someone. Hacker. Hobby. Hooligan. Chips. Shopping. Shorts. Шорты. Shredder. So guys, that's it. You don't even have to learn it because you already know them. They are almost similar mispronunciation. It might have been a little bit different by writing. But anyway, if you have any questions, ask me down below. And thanks for watching and learning with me 50 Russian words. Bye.